This is my BMW from Macau, 澳車北上 Macau to North, and I use Lopal 龍蟠1號那個 special for the BMW 5W40 Chinese brand of engine oil. The first time I used the Chinese engine oil, and it also certified by the BMW LL04 long life 04 type of things. So it's very high-end. API is SP level. So this is the Lopal and the A share listed. This is the stock market listed. Great company, yeah, Lopal. I think many countries also exporting this kind of oil to the Malaysias or Philippines or something. So it's Lopal. I will use it next year because I'm now using the mobile 5W30, but BMW, the engine will burn eat the oil very deeply, so we'll top it up later. This is benzene, also the fuel addictive of Chinese brand, so it's good for BMW. F20 N13 engine 118i. Okay, this is BMW with the PEA and PIBA, PIBA, both. So PEA is very great to clean your car engine, so it's very great. With the Lopal engine oil or the Chinese oil together, I think it's very great, suitable with and clean the fuel injector and spark plug and the cylinder. And this Chief, the brand of Chinese, another Chinese brand, the Chief brand is the catalytic converter cleaner. Okay, and it also frees me a Chief fuel injector cleaner, the fuel addictives. So the fuel addictives by this catalytic converter cleaner freely. Fuel cleaner, fuel injector cleaner, fuel addictives free, one bottle. So it's great. It's cheap brand of by Shenzhen, China. Chinese brand is great. And you can see this is catalytic converter cleaner. You can see cheap catalytic converter cleaner. Okay, this is very good. Then clean the catalytic converter and also fuel injector with the fuel additives, both cleaning. Very good for the car BMW.